Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kucoin.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official KuCoin website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and you will end up within the login portal. Now in order to reset your forgotten password, click on the forgot password option and you will be asked to use your email or phone in order to reset your credential. Choose either one of these options and enter your email address or your phone number within the given box. And then click on Send Verification Code. And now you will be asked to check your inbox or your phone SMS. Once you check either one of these, you will find your verification code that you can simply enter within this box. And now you will be allowed to create a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password within the new password box and then enter this new password once again for confirmation. You can finally click on the confirm button and now your password will successfully be reset and you will be able to use this new password in order to log into your account on KuCoin. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.